does it. I got that new hot something to cruise blocks bumping to make these dudes stop frontin'. Check it out.
Ready or not, here we go. Introducing Matt Peters on a beatbox. Lucid let the lyrics flow. Something like the Cyrano to Bergerac of rap since however many years ago. But y'all don't hear me though. But that's a minute to change. I seen a doorway open up. But I gotta make it down this corridor before it closes shut. Keep my cash collection current to the cost of living. Cause optimism's what it's gonna take to make them stop and listen. Sit back, parlay, press play, chill. Just want y'all to appreciate the skill. Got no major label deal, I never make a meal. Don't really even expect us to ever pay my bill. But I'ma do it just to do it, I guess. And when I do something, I got to do it the best. In pursuit of success, cause a chain reaction to my creative passion is the main attraction. Let's make it happen. Like all in together now. KC, go rep the town, one of the best around and never let you down.
We be the
KCMCs who are the ones that trust. Got love for those that got love for us.
Be the KCMC.
This, that brand new, next level creative shit that most of these cats just can't do. Can't categorize the style so versatile. Don't turn the dial, I bet if you give it a listen as you find out worth your while. But no, I put it to work to make this something special for y'all. To entertain, but still always a message involved. The second installment of a rhyme catalog is in stores, lucidflows.com. KCMC, get yours. I'ma make mine, but the process takes time. Cause straight off the